This is Action Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2018 Volkswagen Amarok, stock number 6565. This ran from the 10th 2010 to the 9th 2022. It has an CSHA 2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine, backbone 8-speed automatic transmission. This is the CSHA 2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front door mirror. Left and rear 17-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory mega tyre. Right hand door card. Right hand master switch. Centre console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heated AC controls. Factory single stack stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light with sunglass holder. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.